and welcome back to TechnoArch. In today's video, I will show you how to remove those exclamatory yellow marks, also known as disassociated annotations in AutoCAD. Let's get started. I have opened my AutoCAD drawing, and as you can see, there are quite a few of these yellow marks. They indicate that some annotations are no longer associated with the objects they reference. Let's remove them. First, go to the command line and type Annomonitor, ANNOMONITOR. Then change the value to 0. Once you do this, all the exclamatory marks will disappear, leaving your drawing clean and ready for work. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please leave a comment below. See you next time.